Roman blood sport where policemen were shooting? Was it Roman blood sport that they were standing and shooing away the sadhu? Didn't they know what they're doing?
We need a countrywide law against mob lynching, and we need specialized training for policemen.
Subhash on the left.
And they died.
Where is
Arnab, let me tell you that I couldn't see the video when it was circulated in the social media, WhatsApp media. I couldn't dare to see this video. Such a horrific scene. Of course, now it has been again shown after lapse of so many days. I had the occasion to see. See, there is. Please try to understand if the government really wants to do something, and the central government is in the power. I am the one who has drafted a petition in the Supreme Court along with two other colleagues of mine. If one reads that petition, I think the central government itself must agree for investigation by the NIA, for which they are not required to seek permission of the state government. I don't understand, and this is what I have told the Supreme Court when the Solicitor General of India was representing the government of India. I told him that you please go through my petition. I've told the bench that if you read my petition, the next day when you come out, you come back, you will perhaps be making a statement on your own that let this case go to the NIA. See, the problem is galore, as you have said, the presence of NCP political leader there, and villages after villages, Arnab, you'll be shocked and horrified to know, villages after villages have been converted. The Hindu Adivasis were converted into Christianity, and then a sort of
Which party does the Sarpanch belong to in that village?
Just 1 second, Sarpanch ki baat nahi ho rahi abhi yahan par. See, villages after villages have been converted, and then they create hatred as against the Hindus, as against the sadhus, as against the saffron, and this is the result of this. So if the government really wants to do, and I think the central government must step in immediately and transfer the case to the NIA. Agree to in the Supreme Court on the next occasion. I think the petition is coming up for hearing in the next week.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami, and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.